Hi, this is DIY Manual, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reset the code for your radio. This is a Honda Odyssey 2007. If you have the same radio that you can see here, the procedure is going to be the same. When you need to do a repair on your car that needs to remove the battery, your radio is going to have to be reset. So once you put that battery, the car battery back in, your radio is gonna stop working and it's gonna ask you for a code. See, the dealership usually puts the code in your glove box if you don't have that, or they'll probably give it to you in a kind of like a sticker that comes with all the manuals that you have. But for me, when I received my Honda, the dealer actually pointed out that the radio code is found right here. Look here on my in my glove box, actually hidden right here. The upper number is actually the code that you need to put into your radio. The bottom code is the serial number for your radio. So if you can find that sticker, all you need to do is just enter that number into your car radio when it asks for the code. If you don't have that, then I'll show you how to get it. So let me uh, write this number down. Okay, so I wrote the number down. 31146 is the radio code. The 1120129, that's the radio serial number. So let me show you how to retrieve this number right here to get your radio code if you don't have the sticker with you. Okay, so you look around everywhere and you cannot find the sticker that contains the code to activate your radio. So how do you get that code without going to the dealer and paying them $90 or $100 to reset it? All you have to do is put your car into the accessories. So basically just turn it on without turning on the engine. Okay, you see that? And then using your two fingers, you want to press the number 1 and the number 6 button. Okay, and then you press the power button. See that number 11201201290? That's actually the code right here. 11201290. And now it's going to be asking for the code. So the code is going to be 31146. So I'm going to show that to you. I'm going to enter that code now. And then I'll show you how to get this number to activate your radio, because that's going to be done online. So 31146. So now I have my radio. So everything's working now. And if you can see, I still have my old presets, see? Okay, so that's how you activate your radio. But now let me go back to the computer and show you how to retrieve the radio code, which is a 31146, without calling the dealer. Okay, to retrieve the radio code, what we need is the number that we got earlier here, the 112011290, plus your VIN number. And your VIN number is going to be located right over here. If you go outside, it's gonna be right here. So you can see that that's gonna be your VIN number. Okay, so to retrieve your radio code, all you need to do is go to https radio-navico.honda.com. I'm gonna be putting this in the description below, so make sure to check that. So the only information you'll need to get the radio code is your VIN number and the device serial number. The device serial number is the number we got by pressing the 1, 6, and the power button on the radio. So once you have those information, all you need to do is click on the Get Codes. And here, you just have to enter your information. Let me do that right now. And since I don't have a navigation, I don't have to check I have two devices. So from here, I'll just have to click on Submit. And as you can see here, The code that it gives me is the 31146, which is the same code that I have on the sticker. So that's all you need to do to get your radio code for your Honda radio. So you don't have to pay the dealer to reset it for you. I hope you like this video, and if this video worked for you, please help my channel by clicking on the like and the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.